Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork pochero, only way. Start by gathering all ingredients and trimming pork into even pieces, then season lightly. Brown pork in batches until nicely caramelized, sout, and add tomatoes and chorizo. Pour in water or stock with garbanzos and simmer gently until pork is tender. Add saba and cabbage near the end, adjust seasoning, and serve hot with rice. To make a great pochero, start by prepping ingredients and measuring portions, using pork shoulder for best texture. Sauté onions, garlic, and tomatoes until softened, then brown pork for caramelized flavor. Add water or stock, garbanzos, and chorizo, then simmer gently until meat is tender and flavors meld. Add saba bananas and cabbage near the end to avoid overcooking, garnish simply, and enjoy with family or friends. In this break, I want to ask if you are finding this video helpful. Please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold, prevents spills, and fits cup holders so you can sip while stirring without mess. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick one up if it helps your kitchen flow. Now let's get back to the video. Keep heat moderate so collagen breaks down without drying meat, and skim foam for clear broth. Use pork shoulder or hock for a good balance of fat and connective tissue, and brown pieces for flavor depth. Adjust acidity with a splash of vinegar or calamansi to brighten, and time saba addition to keep texture. Let pochero rest a few minutes before serving so flavors settle and slices hold shape. Serve with hot rice and a simple dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.